What's up, guys? Alberto Pau here, talking to you from a rather cold and rainy London, UK, especially for this being March. It's kind of end of March. I mean, the weather should be getting nicer now. Anyway, I digress. Quick video to you today. There's a couple of very, very nice supply and demand zones on dollar yen daily. So I thought I'd kind of quickly shoot this video and run this through you guys. As I see a very, very nice selling opportunity. Let's take a look at the supply side of the chart to start with, which in my opinion is actually the strongest signal we're getting. Here's a very, very nice supply zone on once again dollar yen daily. So let me draw this nicely. Here we go. Very, very nice supply zone here between 117 and 118.67. Okay, very, very nice supply zone. We can here see the very strong upwards pattern, the rally pattern. Then we have a lot of consolidation, which is very good in terms of giving us a strong signal. Take or give, we've got about 10 candles here, so 10 days of consolidation in this range, and then the market kind of started heading south. On the demand side of the equation, if you were to look at this chart, you would seriously consider shorting the market at these levels, or next time we go back up, actually would be a lot better. Next time we hit this supply zone again, especially as it's a fresh zone, it's untested, I would definitely be looking at shorting the market. If these terms don't make a lot of sense, there should be a link either below this video to the right or to the left, I'm not sure, to sign up for the free webinar that introduces you to these concepts. On the demand side of the picture, we have here a very nice as well demand zone. Now the picture, kind of the signal is not as strong here, so I would kind of be looking at putting it roughly about here to be on the more on the aggressive side, to be fair. So let me quickly draw this. Okay, rectangle. Okay, so here we have a decent area of demand. Now, I don't like this area of demand as much as I do like the area of supply. The area of supply is a textbook example of, a very strong rally up, nice long consolidation, which kind of gives us a lot of confidence in the battle between buyers and sellers at those levels, and then the market starts to head south. So that's a beautiful example. On the demand side of the equation here, at the bottom, I don't like it as much because we do have an area of demand. Then we've already tested it once. We've kind of very quickly tested it a second time. So it's kind of, as I explained in the webinar and in the masterclass, once the area starts to get tested more than twice or thrice, it kind of loses steam. In total contrast to what traditional technical analysis tells you that, supports and resistances, the more times you test it, the stronger, which in my opinion is totally false. It doesn't make any sense. And again, I explained for why this is the case in the classes. Here in this case, demand side rather weak on dollar yen daily. Yeah, we have an area of demand, but kind of we have already tested that area at least once, if not twice. So I'd be careful there. However, on the supply side, very, very beautiful supply zone where I'd be looking at shorting the market. Cool. I hope this was useful. I'm going to keep it nice and sweet and short today. Cool. I hope this makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, make sure to watch the webinar. A link to the right or below or to the left. I don't know. It runs you through the concepts of supply and demand. I'll talk to you soon, guys. Good trading. Good week ahead.